Welcome to the Theodore Ross Racing Circuit of the annual Amateur Rallycross Championship race.
And what a day, what a race.
We've got a great lineup with some familiar faces, and I believe we're ready for the first heat, and boy am I excited. As the late Tim Booner would have said, it's race day! And we're off. Lisa's quick on the pedals and first out of the track. Look how she bends that curve like a pro. But Cliff is having it. He's going to hit her. And he does.
Welcome and goodbye, Lisa Ryder.
And we're back.
There's not a scratch on that vehicle.
She must have an amazing pit crew. Lisa shoots out like a rocket. Boy, can she handle that gravel, George. But Cliff's not having it. He clipped her. Oh, try fixing that tail end, George.
Impossible.
There's no way she can recover from this. What a pity. What a talent. Oh, that was a nasty bit of driving by Cliff there. On the edge of the bending the rules he was, I'd say, George.
Goodbye, Lisa Ryder.
Absolutely. And we're back for our final heat, and I understand that Tom Boone has withdrawn from the race.
Still no word from Lisa and her team.
Wait. I see a car, George. It's Lisa Ryder and her dream team.
I'm simply out of words.
What goes on in that pit?
It's like brand new. Again.
And they're off. But none of the other cars are moving. It's Lisa. Oh, no. She's going to take it to the end. Oh. Lisa Ryder has won the race.
We have a winner.
What a day. What a race. And remember, folks, dreams do come true. I say, show me your toolbox, kid. Give me some of those magic wonders.
Indeed.
So it's goodbye from the Theodore Ross Racing Circuit.